Finding your first bug bounty vulnerability feels impossible until you know the exact workflow. Here's the method that works in 2026. Using AI to do the heavy lifting. Step 1. Pick a target. Go to HackerOne or Bugcrowd. Filter by programs that allow beginners. Look for newer programs with lower competition. Read the scope carefully. Know exactly what you're allowed to test. Step 2. Automated recon. Use tools like Subfinder and HTTPX to map all subdomains. Feed the list into a crawler. Collect endpoints, parameters, and JavaScript files. This used to take days. Automated. It takes 20 minutes. Step 3. AI-assisted analysis. Paste JavaScript code into Claude or GPT-4. Ask it to identify API keys, hard-coded secrets, and unusual endpoints. Ask it to spot authentication logic that looks weak. AI catches things the human eye skips. Step 4. Manual verification. AI gives you leads. You verify them. Test the endpoints manually. Try parameter tampering. Look for IDOR, where changing an ID number gives you access to someone else's data. This is one of the most common and highest paying bug classes. Step 5. Write a clear report. Describe the vulnerability. Show the steps to reproduce. Explain the impact. A clear report gets paid. A vague report gets closed. Your first bounty might be $200. Your 10th might be $2,000. The skill compounds. Start tonight. Pick one program. Run the recon. Let AI analyze the code. For tools, resources, and professional pentest services, leoai.cloud. Subscribe for the next breakdown.